Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Weaver here. How y'all doing? Happy Tuesday. Turn up Tuesday, terrific Tuesday. Yes, yes, yes. Can y'all see the skin? Can y'all peep the skin? It's gloating, it's gloating, it's gloating. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Like and share this video, guys. I want to talk about two things that you must do to win, okay? Two things that you must do to win, all right? So like and share this video. Get some more people on, okay? Get some more people on. Get some more people on. Get you a notepad, okay, a pen, and let's take some notes. I want you to write these two things down, okay? Write these two things down. But before I get started, I'm gonna give y'all a bonus one. If you want to win, the first thing, this the bonus. We need the bonus first. Take a vitamin. Get into this. Look, get into this natural hair. Get into this natural hair. Get into this skin, right? If you want healthy nails, healthy skin, healthy hair, take a vitamin. All right, Nutriverse, okay, packed with all your vitamins and minerals. Okay, so that's your bonus. That's the bonus. I said you get two things, but this is your bonus. You get three. Okay, the third one is take your Nutriverse. So you have some healthy hair, healthy nails, healthy skin. All right. So the first thing you want to do is believe. All right, somebody type believe in the comment box, okay? Hello, hello. Right, believe in the comment box, okay? So the first thing you want to do to win is believe, okay? Without belief, you can't do anything. So you got to believe in yourself, okay? You got to believe in yourself. You got to make sure that you speaking the right things over yourself, okay? Then you got to make sure you have the right environment, okay? The right environment, that you're reading the right things, that you're listening to the right things. You may even have to, purge your Facebook, okay? If you got negative Nancy's, negative ninjas on your timeline, you got to purge them. Because, that's going to mess up your belief. When you listening to negative stuff or your environment is negative, it tampers with your belief in yourself. Okay? So the very first thing you got to do is believe. Okay? Then the second thing, all right? Hey, Tanetta! Girl, you get into this, you get into this natural hair, Tanetta. Get into it, girl. Nutriverse got on point. Thank you. I got my natural hair, girl, and I'm loving it. I just curled it all pretty and stuff and put it in a little ponytail. So I'm living my little natural hair. But anyway, thank you. And I can't wait to meet Naomi. But anyway, guys, the second thing you want to do to win is that you want to make sure that you have habits, good habits, okay? Have a routine. So if you believe in yourself, you got yourself in the right environment, and you're listening to the right things, you're reading the right books, right? You done purge your Facebook. Now you have to literally, hey, Marisa, take action, okay? Take action and what you believe in, but you got to make sure that you have a routine, because here's the deal. It's something called a paradigm, okay? It's something called a paradigm that when you get ready to change your life, you want to change, you want to do the right thing, but it's hard because it's not a habit, right? So you gotta set up a routine, whether it's working out every single day, taking a vitamin. Hello, Joanna. Going live. Like, what is it? What do you have to do every day to see your goal? So if you got a goal, what routine that you have to do to see that goal, because you're going to have to do something every single day. Repetition is the mother of all learning. And it's something called a paradigm that has all your habits stored in your paradigm. So even if you decide, I'm going to make some more money, it's not that easy if you haven't programmed yourself to do the necessary things to make more money. So you can say it with your mouth. Hey, Chandra, you can say it with your mouth, but if you haven't programmed yourself to do a certain activity, it ain't gonna happen. I wish I could work out right now. Definitely won't take it for granted anymore once I heal. Amen. Hallelujah. Okay. And so you want to make sure that you have a routine. Hey, Tashana. Oh, I can't wait for December, girl. Oh, we're going to Orlando, guys. Y'all better get y'all ticket to the I Fought for Her. Okay. I told y'all to put yourself, the first thing I said was, if you want to win, the second thing I said, if you want to win, you got to put yourself in the right environment, right? So, Tashana Richardson having an I Fought for Her conference, you need to be there. That's putting yourself in the right environment, okay? Number one, you got to have belief, okay? And in order to up your belief, okay, that means you got to be in the right environment. You got to read the right things. You got to purge your Facebook, any social medias that you on. You got to make sure that it's conducive to your goal and what you believing in, because one bad seed in your ear, or you see it, can mess up your whole belief system. It can mess up your whole belief system. Okay, so you gotta have belief. All right, and remember, when you believe, it comes by seeing other people do it, right? Seeing other people do it. And I'm not even calling it faith, because faith is the substance of the thing that you cannot see. But belief, I can believe I can make a pen because somebody already made one. I believe I can do a notebook pad because somebody already did one. So I'm sure whatever you're trying to do, somebody already done it. It's a role model out here. Okay, so you don't need faith. All right, you don't need faith to do it. You need belief in yourself that you could do it, because somebody has already done it. If you're in a network marketing company and you got a millionaire in your company, you don't need faith for that. Faith is the substance of the thing you cannot see. We see the millionaire. We see the compensation plan. We see the people making money. You don't need faith for that. You need belief in yourself. And how do you up your belief? Get into the right environments. Get into the right environments. Read the right books. Put yourself where you see yourself. Okay? That's how you're going to up your belief. You might have to look on people online, listen to YouTube videos, but the more you put yourself in the right environments, watch what you looking at on Facebook, Instagram, what you listening to, your belief gonna go up. Hey, Brandy, your belief gonna go up. Okay. Then number two is you gotta reprogram yourself. You gotta come up with some habits. Number two, just change your habits. You gotta, I call them success habits. You gotta have some success habits. Okay, so whatever your goal is, you got to have some habits that you're going to do every single day to change that paradigm. All right, somebody put number two in the comment box for me. All right, number two is you have to come up with a routine. Okay, so I'm in a network marketing company. My routine is I have to lose weight. I have to stay looking good. I got to stay looking good, right? I got to stay looking good. No back fat. I got to stay looking good, right? I gotta stay looking good. So I'm gonna get up and work out every single day. I'm gonna show up and do my reels. I'm gonna show people that I'm taking my products. I got my natural hair so people can see that my hair, skin, and nails is healthy, right? So, because I'm taking my vitamin every single day. So, and I'm doing opportunity calls every day. I'm doing presentations, right? So what success habits are you going to do? Because whatever you're doing right now, it's a collective of things that you're doing that come up with an end result. Point blank, period. Like and share this video, guys. Like and share this video. If you look at your habits, it will tell you your future. You don't need a fortune teller. You don't need a prophet. Look at what you're doing every single day, and it will tell you your future. If you're not working out, you're not in the right environments, you're not taking vitamins, you're not doing any type of personal development, you don't have any marketing plan, you don't have a goal, you're not showing up, I don't need a prophet to tell me I ain't gonna be successful. I don't need no prophet to tell me. I don't need no fortune teller to tell me that. But if I'm showing up every day, I'm working out, I'm taking my vitamins, I'm talking to the people about my products, right? I got a marketing plan, I got my systems in place, and I'm doing this every single day. It's gotta happen for you. It gotta happen for you, because that's law. It gotta happen for you, right? These are what we call the seeds. Seed time and harvest time. If you ain't planted no seeds, you can't get a harvest, Miss Ma'am, sir. It don't work like that. It don't work like that, ma'am and sir. Seed time, harvest time. So you got to change your habits. You got to plant the seeds. What habits are you going to create? Because here's the deal. Everybody has a subconscious mind. Everybody has a subconscious mind, and it's the program that's in your subconscious mind that's controlling you. You can say all day long out your mouth, I want to lose weight. But you know why you can't do it? Because you haven't created a habit of eating good. You haven't created a habit of working out. So although you're saying with your mouth, I'm going to lose weight, like most people do in January, just pay attention. January, people going to say, oh, I can't wait to lose weight. I can't wait to start my business. I can't. Trust me, they really want to do these things. They really want to do these things. In their mind, they want to do it. But they, excuse me, but they haven't created any habits. No success habits. No disciplines. So all that they want to lose weight, all they want to make more money, all they want to start a business is certain habits that you have to do to start a business. It's certain habits you have to do to lose weight. It's certain habits you have to do to start thinking differently, right? Because you gotta change your subconscious mind. I talk about this in my coaching. If you're not in my accountability coaching, get it, okay? I'm gonna drop the link in the comment box. But get it, because I talk about this because a lot of people want to change. They want to do something different with their lives, but it just don't happen for them. It's because they haven't not created a habit so that it can now get embedded into your subconscious mind and just happen by nature. You have a collective of habits that's controlling you. That's how come you can be on the phone and drive the same way to work and don't even know how you got there. It's a habit. You didn't need to think on how to get to work. You can be on the phone not paying attention and just go because it's embedded to the subconscious mind. Drop me some fire in the comment box if you caught that. If you picking up what I'm putting down, drop me some comments in the comment box. Drop me some fire in the comment box. Drop me some fire. So those are the two things, guys, that you want to do. One, you got to have belief. Okay? You got to have belief. And then number two, you got to change your habits. You got to have some success habits. The first thing you want to do is write down your goal. Okay? That's what you want to do. You want to write down your goal. Put your goal at the top of the page. And I want you to write down 10 things. Write down 10 things that you can do every day that you know that's going to help you get closer to that goal. 10 things. And then you're going to make a commitment and say, I'm going to do these 10 things every single day. And you're going to believe. You're going to do these habits every day. You're going to believe. You're going to do these habits every day. And I promise you, you're going to see a manifestation. Just stay persistent. Stay consistent. Keep praying. Keep thanking God. He said life and death is in the power of the tongue. So although you may not see the goal right now, you're going to look at this goal at the top of your page. You're going to keep speaking it. I'm so happy and grateful now today. Yada, 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 yada. And then you're going to do your habit. The 10 things that you're going to do every single day until you see the goal. And if you really want this goal, it don't matter if it takes 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years. See, what happens is once people don't see it in a year, they change the goal. To me, that means you didn't really want it. Because I don't care how long it takes for me to see something. I'm going to continue believing until I see it. I'm not changing my goal. Not if you really, really want it. If you don't really want it, it's just like, okay, then when you don't see it, you're going to change to something else. But if you want it, the word of God says he will give you desires of your heart. A desire and just wanting something is two different things. You can want something, if you don't get it, oh well. But when it's a desire, you eat, sleep, breathe that thing. You can't stop thinking about it. You don't care what you got to do to get it. That's a desire. And so when you write those 10 things down, you're going to work like your life depends on it. You're going to do those things every single day because you got to change your habits to see the manifestation. All right, guys? So, and the bonus, the first one was belief. The second was change your habits. The third one for your bonus is take your vitamins. All right? Take your vitamins. Put something healthy inside your body because if you want success, you got to be able to think. It's mind over matter. And a lot of times our food do not have the nutrition and the vitamins and the minerals in it to feed our brain. So you want to make sure that you're taking a vitamin to feed your brain so that you can think properly. So you write these goals down, you can write them with clarity. Okay? And then you will have enough energy to get them done. All right, guys? So number 1, belief. Number 2, change your habits. Number 3, vitamins so you can have good thinking and good energy. All right, guys? So I'm Sabrina Weaver. I'm going to drop a link in the comment box. If you want to join my accountability coaching, Rich Chic Society coaching, I'm going to drop that link in the bottom of this video. And if you want your NutriBurst, I'm going to drop that link in the bottom of this video as well. And it's a compensation plan attached to this, okay? It's a compensation plan attached to this. So if you want to take the NutriBurst just as a customer, the link is going to be there, or you can sign up as a business partner and take the vitamins and sell them as well. So we can talk about that on another video. All right, so the accountability link and the purchase of NutriBurst link will be in the bottom of this video. Like and share this video if you got some value from it. Drop me some fire in the comment box. Let me know that you valued this, it helped you in some type of way. And remember, you deserve to win. I'm Sabrina Weaver. You have a great day. Bye-bye.